Today's letter is D. D is for dog. We all like dogs.
A Boy and His Dog. A film that has become a cult legend.
Right now I'm hungry and I want to get laid.
That's what you always say.
That stupid broad.
You're so funny when you're sexually frustrated.
Damn it.
He is for delusional.
Oh, push that button. Oh, it's you. What are you, looking for some nice, fresh pie?
I've got to see Doctor right away. I think I'm losing my mind.
A conspiracy to film your life with hidden cameras.
Am I crazy, Doctor? Or are they just trying to drive me insane for their movie?
This delusion that your life is a movie is clearly a manifestation of your trauma.
Are these feelings even real?
Wake up, honey.
Dorothy, dear. It's Aunt Emma.
She seems all right now.
Yeah, she got quite a bump on the head. We kind of thought there for a minute she was going to leave us.
But I never leave your Uncle Henry. That's just the trouble. And I tried to get back for days and days.
There, be quiet now. You just had a bad dream.
It wasn't a dream. It was a place. And you were there.
Oh,
But you couldn't have been, could you?
We dream lots of